morning, guys. Good morning, guys. Today is Tuesday, and today I woke up and I took a shower. I'm all nice and clean, and I am just going to clean around the house a little bit. Just a little things misplaced here and there, nothing too big. But today I have the task of making my husband new business cards, and also finding who can make shirts with the logo, shirts and hoodies and jackets and all that stuff. So that is my task today. I have to create new business cards. The ones that they have are nice, but they're not as nice because they were the very first ones. So I'm trying to make them a little bit better, more appealing and stuff, and put more information that they actually do. So yeah, that is what I am doing. I have my computer right here, and I have my phone right here because I use both. I'm texting with the girl that is gonna possibly do my shirts and everything. So that is the goal. I also have to go to Target because I have to go buy the shirts. We found really good shirts there. They're very soft material, and they don't shrink when you wash them. So yeah, my husband likes the Target shirts, so I'm gonna have to go find those. His other co-worker already bought his own shirts and his own hoodies, so my task is to find my husband his shirts and his hoodies and make the logo for both of them. Go get it done. I think they want vinyl, so they're making it a little bit easier because last time they had embroidery and they didn't end up liking it that much. So this time I think we're doing vinyl, which is easier to find because there's more people who make them. I already found someone, which is exciting. I'm hoping she can do them because I just want to use her. She is a friend, and I am happy. I just sent her all the information this morning, and she's going to help me out. So she said she just needs a couple days to come up with a design, to put it in the software and all that kind of stuff. And yeah, that is the task today. I also want to go, since I'm gonna go to Target, I'm gonna go to Ross just to make sure, just to see if they put any new towels for my bathroom, and the organizer that I showed you guys in the bathroom cleaning video. I ended up returning it because it was just driving me nuts. Those drawers were so hard to pull, and every time I pull the wrong way, another piece will fall out, and I was like, no. I did not pay $24 so that it can break on me on the first day. So I just wrapped it around the best that I could, and I returned it, and they took it. I mean, I have to take it. It's new. And it was broken, and it's not my fault. So yeah, so I'm in the task of finding another organizer. If you guys have any idea where I can find a nice organizer like that one, I really like that one because it had a bunch of compartments and everything fit as you guys saw in the video. Let me know in the comments, but I want it to be cheap though. So I don't have a lot of money at the moment. So that is the goal. So right now I'm just gonna put on a jacket and head out. I'm gonna try to do the cards first and then head out. So I will see you guys a little bit later. Hi guys, so I am done cleaning and I am done eating breakfast. But right now my husband just texted me and he said he wants to go to the store with me. So I'm going to wait for him so he can go with me. But other than that, I haven't done anything. I put a posting on Facebook and on Marketplace to see if I would get clients for my nails. And I already have 4 people interested, which makes me very, very happy. I haven't scheduled the appointments yet because I need to check to see what styles they want and everything like that. Some of the styles I can do and some of them I can't because I don't have the products. But luckily for me, she said on the weekend, so I have till the weekend to get them. I'm pretty sure I can find them. Right now, like I told you guys, I'm just gonna wait for my husband and then we will be right back and then I'll keep vlogging. So I'll see you guys a little bit later. Hello guys, today is Wednesday and today I went to Ross because I wanted to go look for some of those organizers again to see if they put new ones. And I did end up finding something similar. It's way smaller, it doesn't have the drawers, but it is pink. So let me show you guys what I ended up buying and then I'll show you guys my new setup of the bathroom since I returned the other one. So let me show you guys what I ended up buying. So I found this acrylic one. Cosmetic organizer is just one, as you guys can see. And then I bought these. This is like a 2. And then this one as well. This one was only $2.99. So these $2.99 each. And then this one was $8.99. So it was pretty cheap. It was only like $16 altogether. So let me go ahead and organize the bathroom one more time and then I'll show you guys the end result. So I'll be right back. Well guys, this is how it looks. Let me show you right here. I just put this. I have my hair ties and all of my brushes here, my perfume. Then right here I just put my palettes, my essential oils, my hair decoration like my bobby pins and little rings and 4 braids. And then like that, pretty much the same but a little bit more organized and less cluttered. And then over here I just put our toothbrushes and our toothpaste. So this is the overview. So I like it a lot more, even though I still need those drawers. I'm gonna continue looking for those drawers, see if I can put it underneath maybe. But other than that, this is the end result and I really like it. I hope you guys like it too. Good morning guys, today is Thursday, November 7th, and today I have a couple of tasks that I have to do. Anyway, right now I'm headed downstairs so that I can eat breakfast. I am feeling like eating oatmeal, something simple because I have a lot to do today. So let's go downstairs and make me my oatmeal. So these are the oats that I use. I like the quick 1-minute oats, gluten-free. I try to stay away from gluten every time I can. And this is the granola that I like to put in there. And I'm also going to add a banana. So this is my oatmeal. I'm going to eat this and then we're gonna head out. Hi guys, so today is Saturday, and today, as you guys saw in the video, we're cleaning our cars. Hubby washed all the cars, and then I vacuumed mine and cleaned it from the inside and the weather techs and everything. And right now we are just going to chill here at home, and we'll see what we do next. So I'll see you guys in a little bit.